On this week's episode, Chewy Ginger Biscuits. Ingredients. To a bowl, add half a cup of sifted self-raising flour, a quarter cup of smooth oats, an eighth cup of castor sugar, an eighth cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a quarter cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of ginger puree. Roll the dough into balls and place on a lined baking tray. Use a fork to flatten the dough. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes in a preheated oven set to 190 degrees Celsius or until golden brown. And that's it. Grab a cup of tea and enjoy your very own tasty ginger biscuits. Perfect for the season. Thank you for watching. Love you all, and God bless.